Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make strawberry kombucha. First, you'll need a healthy SCOBY, some strong black or green tea, and about 1 cup of fresh strawberries. Remember, cleanliness is key, so make sure all your jars and utensils are thoroughly sanitized before you begin. This prevents unwanted mold and ensures a tasty brew. For the first fermentation, combine your cooled sweet tea with the SCOBY in a clean glass jar. Cover the opening with a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or cheesecloth, and secure it tightly with a rubber band. Let it ferment for 7 to 14 days at a consistent room temperature, ideally between 68 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Taste it periodically to check for desired tartness. Now for the exciting part, adding the strawberries for your second fermentation. Dice about 1 cup of fresh strawberries per gallon of kombucha. Distribute these evenly among your clean, airtight bottles, then fill them with your first fermentation kombucha, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Seal the bottles tightly and let them ferment for another 2 to 5 days to build up that wonderful fizz. Once your kombucha has reached your desired carbonation, strain out the strawberry pieces using a fine mesh sieve. Then, transfer your delicious strawberry kombucha to the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process and chill. It will stay fresh and bubbly for up to 1 month. Don't forget to check the description for links to other great deals and to learn more about bringing your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Enjoy your homemade brew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.